Hello everyone. Welcome to the Italian Language Studio. Today, we are going to learn 10 basic Italian greetings in just 5 minutes. They are simple, useful, and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Let's begin with the most important word in Italian. How do we say hi in Italian? We say ciao. Now repeat after me. Ciao. Again, a little louder this time. Ciao. Perfect. Very good. Now here is something interesting about Italian. We don't only use ciao for hi, we also use it to say goodbye. So one simple word, ciao, can mean both hello and goodbye. That's why Italians love it so much. Let's move to the second one. How do we say good morning in Italian? We say
Buongiorno.
Now repeat after me.
Buongiorno.
Again.
Buongiorno.
Perfect. You can use
Buongiorno
when you meet someone in the morning until early afternoon. It is a very polite and common greeting in Italy. Let's move on to our next greeting. When the day becomes evening, and you meet someone after afternoon time, how do we say good evening in Italian? We say
Buonasera.
Now repeat after me.
Buonasera.
Again.
Buonasera.
Perfect. You can use when it starts getting evening or when it becomes dark. It is a polite and respectful way to greet people in Italy during the evening time. Now let's learn the next one. When the day is finished, and you are going to sleep, how do we say good night in Italian? We say
Buonanotte.
Now repeat after me.
Buonanotte.
Again.
Buonanotte.
Perfect. You can use
Buonanotte
when you are saying goodbye at night or when someone is going to sleep. Now let's move to another very useful phrase. When you meet a friend and want to ask about them, how do we say how are you? In Italian, we say
Come stai?
Now repeat after me.
Come stai?
Again.
Come stai?
Perfect. You can use
Come stai?
when you are talking to friends or people you know well. It is a friendly way to start a conversation in Italian. Now let's learn how to answer that question. If someone asks you,
Come stai?
How do you say I am fine in Italian? We say
Sto bene.
Now repeat after me.
Sto bene.
Again.
Sto bene.
Perfect. You can use to tell someone that you are feeling good or doing well. It's a simple and very common answer in Italian conversations. Now let's learn a very important word. When someone helps you or gives you something, how do we say thank you in Italian? We say
Grazie.
Now repeat after me.
Grazie.
Again.
Grazie.
Perfect.
Grazie
Is a very polite word, and you should use it often. It shows respect and kindness when you speak Italian. Great job so far. Now let's learn how to reply when someone says
Grazie.
When someone says thank you, how do we say you're welcome in Italian? We say
Prego.
Now repeat after me.
Prego.
Again.
Prego.
Perfect. You can use
Prego
when someone says
grazie
to you. It is a polite and friendly way to respond. Now let's learn another very important polite word. When you ask for something politely, how do we say please in Italian? We say
Per favore.
Now repeat after me.
Per favore.
Again.
Per favore.
Perfect. You can use
Per favore
when you ask for something in a polite way. It makes your Italian sound more kind and respectful. Now let's learn the last one. When you meet someone for the first time, how do we say nice to meet you in Italian? We say
Piacere.
Now repeat after me.
Piacere.
Again.
Piacere.
Perfect. You can use
Piacere
when you meet someone new. It is a friendly and polite way to introduce yourself in Italian. Great job today! You just learned 10 basic Italian greetings that you can start using in real conversations. Don't worry if you don't remember everything yet, that's completely okay. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Now, let's take a moment to review everything together one more time. Repeat after me. Hello. Ciao. Bye. Ciao. Good morning.
Buongiorno.
Good evening.
Buonasera.
Good night.
Buonanotte.
How are you?
Come stai?
I am fine.
Sto bene.
Thank you.
Grazie.
You're welcome.
Prego.
Please.
Per favore.
Nice to meet you.
Piacere.
Amazing work today. You did really well, and you're already one step closer to speaking Italian with confidence. Keep practicing these words every day. Even a few minutes can make a big difference. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson.
Ciao.